Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build a website with zero coding using MGX dev tool. So normally websites take hours to design or require coding, but now with AI, you just describe your idea and the builder instantly creates a ready-to-use site. So it's perfect for beginners, businesses, or personal projects. So all you need is a browser and internet connections, and MGX Dev's AI Builder works online. So no install, no coding required. You can just open the website, this one in here, mgx.dev, and after that you'll see a text box like this where you can describe the site you want. So in the text box you can type something like this. For example, I want a coffee shop website with a modern look, menu sections, and contact form. So the AI read this and instantly build your site. You can hit on this first, but you need to sign in. So if you haven't had the account, you need to click on the sign up first, or you can also use X, Discord, or LinkedIn. I'm going to click on sign up, and here I'm going to use my Google account. Okay, so my app is now created and I already sent the prompt. As you guys can see, the agent's computer is starting up. You can just wait until the result is out. As you guys can see, here is the coding and it will automatically creating itself, so you can just wait. So here is the result of the site that I just created with this prompt. You can see, you can preview it first. In here you can check out your website in the app viewer, this one in here, to see how it looks. And you can also change the items if you want to, like the price, or maybe you want to add something in here. And if you want to publish it, you can just click on this button in here to deploy your website live. You can also use the share feature to get a link you can send to others. This one. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.